Well, good morning, Jaginder Rana here. And the topic of the day is third party liability insurance. Third party liability insurance. The third party liability insurance is a type of policy under which the insurance company offers cover for the insured against legal liabilities that arise due to the loss or damage caused by them to a third person's body or their property. On the other hand, a comprehensive policy offers complete protection against damage sustained by a vehicle due to unforeseen accidents or as a result of other incidents such as natural or man-made risks. Now the question is, how does third-party liability insurance work? Let us look at some terminologies to better understand the concept of third-party liability insurance. Taking an example of an event in a car accident where parties involved are as well. The first party is the policyholder or the insured person. Second party is the insurance company. And third party is the person who claims for the damages caused by the first party from the second party. Now, in case the insured is held legally liable with the third party motor vehicle insurance policy for injuries or damages caused to the third party, then the insured is indemnified with compensation. So any losses arising due to damages or injuries caused by the insured to a third party or third party's property are covered under the third party car insurance policy or motor vehicle insurance policy. Now, in the event of a vehicle or motor vehicle accident, the insured person holding the third party liability insurance policy must inform the insurer about the accident. If you turn out to be responsible for the accident or the third party believes you to be responsible, a claim will certainly be filed against you, which your insurer will be expected to pay. Thus, for the speedy resolution of the claim, the insurance company must be informed at the earliest. This is how a third-party motor insurance process works. The features of third-party liability insurance, the key features: damage to property, vehicle of third party, means property or the vehicle of a third party, is limited up to rupees 7.5 lakh. Now, buying process could be offline or online, but bodily damage, injury to third party, or death or disability decided as per the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal or decided as per the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Because benefits of third party liability insurance are innumerable. There are many advantages to third party insurance. Let's look at the ones that you will be eligible for in case you wish to buy third party liability insurance for your vehicle. So, freedom to drive legally and stress free. It is necessary to insure your vehicle to legally drive on Indian roads as per the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So, getting this basic third party insurance will save you from buying or burning a hole in your pocket from the hefty traffic fines. Additionally, knowing that any unforeseen legal and financial liabilities arising due to an accident will be covered by your insurer helps you drive with peace of mind. Now, this provides coverage for personal damage of the third party involved in the accident. Because in case of events like an accident where you end up injuring someone physically, or in severe cases you become the cause of the death or permanent disability of the third person, the third party insurance holder will get coverage for all the losses up to unlimited liability. This third party liability insurance helps save time, efforts, and money. Now you can buy your favorite car policy or any vehicle policy from the insurance company from the comfort of home with just a few clicks. The digital process says goodbye to the hassle of standing in queues, filing long forms, of filling long forms, running from one counter to another to get the work done, and the huge struggle of travel, saving you loads of time and money. This also provides coverage for vehicular damage of the third party involved in the accident. In the event of an accident wherein the insured person caused damage to the third party car, the insurer will provide coverage of up to 7.5 lakh for the third party. Now, the protection against unwanted financial liabilities, considering the heavy traffic on Indian roads, accidents are bound to happen. Thus, buying a third party liability insurance policy is must. This will help you stay financially secure if an unplanned mishap comes your way. Being prepared is always better than repenting later. So, third party liability insurance includes, it is with a third party liability insurance policy, you will be covered against financial and legal liabilities in the following situations: the damage to the third party vehicle because of the insured vehicle, damage to the third party property to an extent of Rs 7.5 lakhs, bodily injury sustained by the third party causing permanent disability or death. So when you opt for a third party only motor vehicle insurance policy, you should also be aware of all the exclusions. Let us look at what is all not covered by the third party car insurance. See, the damages caused to your vehicle, the cost of the damages to the vehicle or the belongings there inside the vehicle at the time of the accident. The losses that are incurred in case your vehicle belongings are stolen or destroyed. So, these are the disadvantages of this policy. So, without a basic motor vehicle insurance policy, your beloved vehicle will practically be useless and illegal to drive as per the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, because that makes it compulsory to carry insurance. Having said that, not everyone can afford comprehensive car insurance policy for their vehicles, and some don't even find they need to acquire one. So for this reason, the third party liability insurance suits a lot of individuals who want to drive their car peacefully as well as abide by the law. But the question is, driving a vehicle or a car is a privilege, but it also comes with a great deal of responsibility. So one of the most important responsibilities of a driver is to have adequate insurance coverage. In India, third-party liability insurance is mandatory for all drivers, all vehicles, because third-party insurance covers the legal liability of the insured driver for bodily injury or property damage caused to third parties in an accident. This means that if you are involved in an accident and you are found to be at fault, your insurance company will pay for the medical expenses and property damage of the other driver. Claims are subject to terms and conditions set forth under the motor insurance policy. So before getting to the details of the policy, you need to know who is a third party. A party is any person involved in the transaction or process of the policy. By this logic, the first party is the person that buys the policy. The second party is the insurance provider. And finally, the third party is any person that is affected by an accident caused by your vehicle. So third party liability insurance is a type of motor insurance that covers the legal liability of the insured driver towards any third person affected in the case of an accident. This means that if the insured driver causes an accident that results in damage to the property or injury to the third party, the insurance company will compensate for the damages or injuries. Claims are subject to terms and conditions set forth under the motor insurance policy. Now, when you purchase third-party liability insurance, you will be issued a policy document. This document will state the terms and conditions of your insurance coverage. Now, in the event of an accident, you will need to file a claim with your insurance company. So, the insurance company will then investigate the accident and determine whether or not you are covered. If you are covered, the insurance company will pay for any liabilities that occur due to an accident. Claims are subject to terms and conditions set forth under the motor insurance policy. But the third party liability insurance does not cover damage to the insured vehicle or any injuries to the insured driver or passengers. For this, you will need to purchase a comprehensive motor insurance policy. Or in addition, even in third-party insurance policy, you can get the additional premium for the coverage of the passenger's liability or driver's liability. So if you are a motor vehicle owner, it's important to have third-party liability insurance. It's a great way to protect yourself financially in case of an accident. Moreover, it is also mandatory to have a PA cover for yourself to protect against injuries to yourself. So claims are subject to terms and conditions. There are a few exclusions to third-party liability insurance. These exclusions typically include damage to the insured vehicle or injuries to the passengers or damages caused by intentional acts such as drunk driving or reckless driving, or damages caused by natural disasters such as floods or earthquakes. As far as the cost of third-party motor insurance is concerned, it is set by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. This amount is periodically revised by the regulator. So if you are involved in an accident and you believe that you are entitled to claim third-party liability insurance, you should follow these steps. Gather all the relevant information such as the names and contact details of the other parties involved in the accident as well as the police report number. Contact your insurance company and file a claim. You will need to provide them with all the relevant information that you have gathered. Your insurance company will investigate the claim and determine whether it should be approved. If it is, they will cover the damages or injuries caused by the accident to the third parties along with any other legal liabilities. So claims are subject to terms and conditions set forth under motor insurance policy. If you have any questions about filing a third-party liability insurance claim, you should contact your insurance company. They will be able to help you understand the process and answer any questions that you may have. So third-party liability insurance is an important part of motor insurance. It can provide financial protection in case of an accident and help you avoid legal hassles. If you are a motor vehicle owner, it is important to have third-party liability insurance. Choice is yours. If you can afford a comprehensive cover, that is always advisable. Otherwise, third-party liability insurance is mandatory. If you are involved in an accident, you should follow the steps outlined to file a third-party liability insurance claim. By doing so, you can ensure that you are properly compensated for the damages or injuries caused by the accident. Now, while third-party liability policies provide coverage against accidental liabilities, there are many exclusions, but the benefits as well. So the insurance company is the second party. First party is the policyholder, and the third party is anyone, whoever is involved in the accident. So when you are taking a third party liability insurance policy, keep in mind that the compensation for the vehicle damages will not be paid. Thank you. Thank you very much.